Hey guys, what's going on? It's Chris from Dreamedia. Got a brand new episode for today. Today we're actually doing something special. You know, you guys, we sell the gear to you, and as well as we have a nationwide support team of preferred installers. But we're doing something special. We're kind of doing some boots on the ground. So this is actually before the customer is getting his install. We're coming out to the area, walking the space, and then we're going to let you guys know what he's planning, as well as show you a follow-up down the road. So we're going to get into all that. We're going to do it right after the intro. All right, guys, well, let's just show you some of the products that we have here just so far. So we have Focal series that we're going to be doing for in-walls. So we have the Focal 100 series that is right here, as well as down here. Pretty much the reason why we're doing this walkthrough is to figure out what we're doing for the surrounds. So because the customer wants to do a 5.2.2, so in this space, if you just look over here, I'll just go this way so I don't get the customer on camera. But if you look over here, it's open to the rest of the downstairs. So there is no area here to put a surround speaker so that it can emanate into the room. So that's the main reason why we wanted to come out here and kind of walk the space, walk up in the attic and stuff like that, check it out to where we could understand fully what's going on with the space and find the best possible solution for the customer. So he's already gone through the process of talking to our sales team. He's dealt with Kellen the entire time. So he got the dual PB 4000s. I'm not sure what color he got them in. Black ash. Okay, so he doesn't like reflections. So he has two of those. He already has one out of the box. He couldn't wait, so he already got that one in its final resting place. Over here, we have the JVC RS2000. You guys know I love these things. These are flying off the shelves, and we are one of the few people that actually still have these things right now. But highly recommend you guys check those things out if you haven't already. And then he wanted to support everything with premium cabling too. So it looks like he has tributaries, HDMIs for, it looks like a 10-meter run. For the 4K HDMI right here. He has the 4 series of tributary sub cables. If you guys haven't seen these things yet, check them out. They're pretty cool. So it's a nice and premium type of offering. So we have those sub cables. He has Lutron over there that he supplied himself. We have some Wattbox surge protectors. You guys know that we like these little nuggets per se that go into the wall. They'll protect the subs, they'll protect the projector. So that stuff's good. He also got the Wattbox 400 CE. That's going to, it's a rack mountable solution, so he's going to protect his gear with that as well. Strong series fine adjust mount. You guys know I love this thing. I swear by it. I use it all the time. It makes mounting a projector a million times better than the way it was done before. Looks like this box right here is just networking gear. And the only other thing I missed was the AVR. Which one did you end up going with?
Denon 3700.
So this is the Denon 3700 that we have right here. Did you just get this one in? Because we've been sold out of these for a little bit.
Just came in.
So we got these the Denon 3700s back in stock, ready to go. So this is basically the space and the gear that we have available for this customer. It's not the biggest space, but we're going to use this space as maximum potential, and I really think it's going to turn out great. But I'm going to wrap this video up here, guys. Just wanted to show you guys what we do, like the type of services we offer, and if this seems like something that you would like for us to not only sell you the gear and give you support with that, also as well as giving you the support with the installation, we're happy to help. So reach out and show your support. All right, guys, that's going to wrap up today's video. Really appreciate you guys for watching. If you guys would like to purchase anything, don't hesitate to reach out to Dreamedia. We'll leave our information right down here, as well as in the description. And if you guys want installation, doesn't matter if it's in Austin, Houston, San Antonio, Dallas, California, Florida, Colorado, New Jersey, the Jersey Shore, as well as New York, and we're also expanding into, what was the other one we just lined up? It was Virginia, as well as, I think there's one in the Midwest now. I need to check my facts. I already said Colorado. Come on, man. But if you guys would like any of this stuff, please don't hesitate to reach out. That's all I got for you. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Catch you on the next one.
Oh my gosh, is that the Dreamedia van in my neighborhood? What? Wait, Dreamedia, come back!